How's it going? My name is John with Blackbird Productions, and today we're actually in the Tesla. Today I wanted to discuss 5 things that you can do to improve the range in your 2024 Tesla Model 3 performance. And quick disclaimer, I know there's going to be some comments around this. Some of these things are pretty obvious and some aren't really not so obvious. As a new Tesla owner, I didn't have any resources that I could find in terms of how to improve my range in the 2024 Tesla Model 3 performance. There's some for the 2022, 2023, but not 2024. So I made this video with the intent to help new people who are new to the Tesla ecosystem like I am receive the most out of their range when they're taking their Tesla on trips. So, number 1 is weight reduction. Tesla recommends that you remove any unnecessary cargo from your car or bulky or heavy cargo. For me personally, I try to keep it very minimal in here. I hardly ever carry anything around, and if I do, it's usually groceries. The other thing I try to find is weight saving opportunities. So that could be looking into carbon fiber replacement parts or something like that. There's plenty of carbon fiber parts out there. Some are stick-on carbon fiber, which, don't get me wrong, those are pretty nice and pretty easy to install, but they don't really offer any functionality outside of just looking cool. So when I try to look for carbon fiber parts, I actually look for parts that I can actively replace on my car. So for example, if I want to replace one of the rear view mirrors, or both of them rather, with a carbon fiber rear mirror assembly, then that's something that I'm willing to do to save weight on my car and also make it look cooler in the process. And speaking of carbon fiber, Hansho actually sent me these carbon fiber plates, and they come in various different options. I opted in for the matte carbon fiber because I wanted to match the matte carbon fiber found around the car. So if you're interested in getting some matte carbon fiber plates or gloss carbon fiber, or even silver, that's an option as well, you can use my code Blackbird for 22% off your purchase. Thank you to Hansho for supporting the channel by sending me this product. The second thing you can do to improve your range is consider using chill mode. And essentially what chill mode does is it actually limits the amount of acceleration that you have on tap when you're driving around. And it also gives you a more gentle ride in the process. The other thing chill mode does is it actually optimizes your interior heating in colder weather. The next thing is battery preconditioning. Battery preconditioning is something actually recommended directly by Tesla. And what it actually does is it optimizes the temperature of your vehicle's battery pack before driving or supercharging, which is recommended by Tesla in colder climates or before using a supercharger. The goal is also to ensure the battery is at an optimal temperature to optimize efficiency, performance, and range, and also to reduce charging time when you're using a supercharger. The fourth thing that you can do to improve your range is simply checking your tires. So make sure you're checking and maintaining your tire pressure at the recommended levels to reduce rolling resistance and improve efficiency, as well as tire durability, which is especially important on the performance model, given that these tires are a rather lower profile tire compared to the standard range models. And the final item you should look at when improving your range is the Energy app. The Energy app can be found within your Tesla on the 15-inch screen. And essentially what it does is it allows you to monitor the amount of energy your car is using while it's driving and parked. You could also see how much energy is being consumed by different vehicle components, of course based on your driving behavior and your environmental conditions. The last thing it allows you to do is get personalized suggestions for using energy more efficiently based on your driving patterns. So that is the video. If you found this video informative, feel free to just leave a quick like. And also consider subscribing. I create Tesla content every week, and I have a plethora of content planned for the next couple of months. Additionally, if you have a tip or if there's something that I missed in this video, feel free to just leave a quick comment. I'd love to know. I also just recently launched a Patreon because I'm actually unemployed. If you guys don't know, I was actually impacted by a layoff about 2 months ago, and I've just been living off my savings. So any little bit helps. You can support my work as well as the channel by contributing to the Patreon, and there's a number of different things that I offer on there, but definitely check it out. It's in the link in the description below. And I want to personally thank my first Patreon member, Jeffrey, who definitely came through for me. As of making this video, my knowledge is he's actually taking delivery of a new performance model pretty soon. and we interact every now and then on Patreon. So definitely, if you want to have a more community driven or one-on-one discussion with me, or maybe you just want to DM me, definitely check me out on Patreon. I'd love to chat. Otherwise, this has been John with Blackbird Productions, and thank you so much for watching my content. I'll see you guys in the next video.